Okay, we are back, people, with the NY session look in the market. And I've already marked out the pairs quickly. So there's AUD, JPY, for a buy continuation, possibly. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go here. Okay, so we've got a 1 hour turncoat here. We do have a 4 hour break of structure. So this looks like a buy entry, which will give you a 20 pip stop loss for a 40 pip trade. So you're going for a TP of 95.871 and your stop loss should be 95.263. Let's just go and check the 4 hour quickly. Yep, the 4 hours closed bullish as well, based on this high here being taken out. So boom, you're looking at 40 pip 1 to 2 hour trade. That's AUD JPY. Let's go to AUD USD quickly. This is another one that's got a setup right now. We are currently 4 hour bullish with that close right there above those highs. Let's go over to the 1 hour chart quickly. And right here, you can see we've got our turncoat. So you've got you might as well say a 20 pip stop loss. So 0.63560 is your stop loss on AU. 0.63560. And your TP is 40 pips, which is boom, boom, boom. 0.64156. That is your TP on AU. I'm just going to check something quickly. Oh, let's go. Let's keep it going. The money's moving. I forgot. I keep forgetting that the 1 hour candle, the 4 hour candle is opening at 1 o'clock. Have to get used to this clock going back by an hour. ADCHF. Okay, so on AEDCHF, we are 4 hour bullish, as you can see right here. And we go to the 1 hour chart. See anything here? Popping up. AEDCHF. I'm going to check them all. You have to be patient. I'm not just going to jump around the place. You have to be patient, people. It doesn't make sense. If I jump around the place, I'll just be lost. ADCHF. We've got 2 1 hour turncoats here. So we've got a turncoat that's appeared here. So this could give us a continuation of a buy. We've had a 4 hour break of structure right here. So change of character. So we could be getting a continuation of a buy of this trade. If you did want to take a buy on ADCHF, you would have a stop loss of 10 pips. And then probably be safer. Give yourself about 15 pips, I would say. So boom, you're going at 0.57329, 0.57329, and then you're looking for 30 pips going up. So 30 pips will literally be here, which is 0.57784. That's what you'll be looking at. If you want to get this indicator, you've just got to message me on Telegram or Discord. The links will be in the description of the bottom of this video. Put the Telegram link in here now, so you can just join the Telegram group and then you can message me. Give me a second. Copy link. That. Okay, I'll go back to the screen share and then go to chat. There we go. So this is, I want to do that. Go here. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so the link for my Telegram group is right there. So you can just literally join that group and then you can just put the same message in there. I'll contact you after. Make sure there's no fraudsters. It's me. Who knows my account anyway, because I talk the most in the Telegram group probably. Yeah, so this is actually my product. This is Neo, the Indicator Expert Advisor. It will be auto trading from next year. I'm not going to give a specific date, but we will get there eventually. It's a building process, and Forex isn't it's a long-term game, Forex. So please do not rush me. We will get there. Let's try and be consistent more than anything. That's Euro AEDCHF, sorry, AED New Zealand. boom. Yeah, I will do that, mate. But I'm trying to give people the trade setups right now. So I need to, like, I've got hundreds of videos showing how Neo works. But right now, I'm trying to give people the trade so they can make money. I don't want no one complaining saying, I haven't made no money. John, what's going on? What's happening? I'm trying to make you some money right now. So let's just focus on the money and then I'll go into how it works. Yeah. Let's just do that because the market's not waiting for me to explain how Neo works, my friend. Let's make the money. Okay. And I mean that with all respect. What are we on? Boom, boom, boom. Let's go here. Don't worry, I'll be doing these zooms more often. It's because I didn't have my set way of looking at a scalping strategy personally, but this scalping strategy has been killing it, and obviously everyone in the group and that has Neo already has seen it. So AUD New Zealand, we already know it's 4-hour bullish. We can see here, boom. And now we've got a turncoat that has appeared. So your entry would be here or where price is right now. So if you are entering now, you've got a 20 pip stop loss. So your stop loss is at 1.09032 and you're going for 40 pip TP from here. 1 to 2 is all we're taking. And you're looking at 1.964, sorry, 1.09640. That is what you're looking at on AUD New Zealand for a continuation of this buy. And that's no problem, mate. That's no problem. I'm sure there'll be more people interested. You can share this link in any group as well. That is not obviously a mentor group or anything like that. If it's just a free group where people just chat, you can share the link for this Zoom in there if you want to. Euro CHF. Let's go. Euro CHF. This pair that I hate. Come on. Let's go. Okay, Euro CHF has given us an entry for a possible buy. Hopefully it holds this rejection line here, which is a daily bank level rejection. Times one, and this one's times 2. So we're hoping that Euro CHF holds this level if it holds this turncoat in here. Literally, and we're looking at a entry from here. So if you are taking this, it's got a very low stop loss. So you only got like an 8 pip stop loss. Let's just put it below this line. So say a 10 pip stop loss at 0.95510. And then you're looking at even just 20 pips on this, really. So 20 pips is here. Boom. 0.95818. That's what you're looking at. Obviously, this can do a lot more because it's very small, the stop loss, but we'll take it for what it is. So there you go. That's your buy setup on that. Boom, 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 boom. Let's go. Euro GBP. So you're starting to see the breakouts now. So you saw what happened in London session. It was very quiet, very dead. Obviously, it's the first market open of the week, let's say, in theory, London market, so I say. And then you're starting to see a little bit of breakouts now coming into New York. All right, let's go here. Okay, so Euro GBP isn't ready yet, but we've got a change of character 4-hour. So that's a very good sign for a possible continuation of bullish momentum. We got our entry right here at 0.87436. And so you can put a buy stop order right now on your account if you want to. Again, this is for prop firm trading. You can do it on a live account, but if you've got like $100, you know, I don't know what you want me to really do for you because you've got to trade probabilities here. It's trading probabilities. You do not care about all the rest of it and 2 confluences. Again, I'll go through that after given all the ideas of trades. So your stop loss is about 15 pips here, which is, let's call it here. So your stop loss is 0.87286 and you're going for 30 pips on this from here. The 30 pips is around 0.87737. That's that one there. Euro CAD. Oh, what's up with these CADs, man? They're just moving funny. They keep doing this. They keep going up and down. So they're waiting for obviously the major news event to do these silly big pushes. All right, so Euro CAD. Boom. Cool. So Euro CAD, you're looking at a possible buy continuation. from, let's go check the 4 hour first. Yeah, we're still 4 hour bullish. We haven't gone bearish yet, so we're still 4 hour bullish. I can see that by here. There was a break of this high here. Even if Neo doesn't mark it out for you, I've explained many times before, there's no way any indicator, it doesn't matter what you're using, it can't pick up every single high and low that breaks in the market. You can go test anyone out there, Smart Money Concepts, which is probably the leading break of structure indicator. You can go check all of them. I'm telling you, they will not pick up every break of structure. So this is what I teach in VIP, how to master and learn break of structures. I've even got a free video on YouTube. If you want to know that video, just message me after and I'll send you the link for that video. You need to know how to draw break of structures manually as well. I'm trying my level best to get Neo better than all of the rest of them to pick up break of structures. But again, it's a process. Just be patient with me. I'm here to stay. God willing, we're going to make this money. But for now, you just got to mark it out. Don't be lazy, people. Don't be lazy. So let's go. So we got a high over here, a breakout right there, as we can see. So this is a 4 hour bullish break of structure. And right now we go back over to the, what is it? The 1 hour time frame. We haven't got an entry just yet. I really wish they would stop selling these XCAD pairs, but hey. Okay, 1.47068. That is your entry. And you can put a buy stop there right now. And then your stop loss is around about 35 pips, which is 1.46716. So if I did say this pair earlier today and the numbers are slightly different, it's okay. It's okay, people. You don't have to worry too much. You know, as long as it's around about the same levels. And then we're going for 70 pips on this trade setup. And 70 pips is, yeah. Boom, boom, boom. So 70 pips is around here. So 1.47784. All of that's good enough. We'll probably get to this monthly rejection here, which is a monthly bank level rejection. It's rejected off of this level here 3 times in previous history. So that could all be from like 2000 and whenever, 2002, 2005, could be whenever it was. But we know that previously in history, it's rejected off of that exact level X amount of times. So, and that's a strong level. That's why I've colored it red for myself. Just to know that. All right, cool. Let's keep it going. Got a few pairs to see what's going on. Euro JPY, let's go. We had a turncoat here. So Euro JPY is now 4 hour bullish. If we just go here quickly, you'll see, boom. You can see over here, even though it's bearish there, we've had a break of structure on this candle here, boom, with this big impulsive candle. So now we go back down to the 1 hour chart. Let's go here. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, we don't have a level here. So this is fine. We've got an entry here for continuation of a buy at 158.992, 158.992. And your stop loss on this trade is at least 30 pips. So that would be 1.58, 158.684. And that's a buy stop you want to set on your account. And if it's 30 pips, we're going for 60 pips up. So 60 pips is around about here. So that's 159.601. That's your TP. Euro USD, this one was ready. This one was brewing. Come on. Unless they pull it back. Euro USD, where are we? Yep. All right, so Euro USD 4 hour break of structure. Neo has displayed this one for us beautifully. Let's get into this. There we go. We've got a 10 entry. We've got a pullback as well, which is fantastic. So right now you can enter Euro USD for a buy trade setup. You're looking at a stop loss here. So we're going to say a stop loss of 12 pips. So stop loss of 12 pips on Euro USD. So you're looking at stop loss at 1.05868. And your take profit will be 24 pips, which is 1.06236. That's what you're looking at on Euro USD at the moment. It would be nice if there was a rejection level here, but there isn't. Well, price action might hold this area here. This area right here. So it would be nice to see it reject off of this area, because obviously you can see this was a previous lower high or a higher high, and here was another lower high. So we know that this area is some type of rejection. If I was to switch on the 4-hour rejection levels, which you can, but I don't use them though, but you'll see there are levels of rejections in here. Where are we? Support resistance is probably going to go off, but look, so you can see people. That Neo is a beast. It is the Matrix. Look there, boom. So now we've got 4-hour levels in here. And you can see price action has rejected off of this level previously in history, 3 times before as a bank level. So really we want it to hold these 4-hour levels here and then buy back up, basically. I'm going to switch that off so it doesn't get confusing on the chart though. So ever in doubt, if there are massive areas between areas, you can always switch on a lower time frame. But I definitely would not go no lower than the 4-hour chart. I don't use the 4-hour chart, but I wouldn't go no lower. Bear with me 1 second, people. My son's calling me. Bear with me. Cool, cool, cool. He was just telling me he was safe. You know how it is out here. You got to make sure your kids are always safe. So let's get back into this. Okay, boom, 4-hour off. Let's move into this. That's Euro USD, GBP CHF. I think this one was brewing, but we saw a reversal. What is going on with these GBPs, man? They just love to do this. Yeah. What kind of reversal was that? I was just looking at my trade. Euro news. All right, cool. All right, let's move on. So we got GBP CHF. So we are 4-hour bullish, I believe, on this now. No, yes, we are. Here was a lower high right over here. We broke this with a 4-hour break of structure as well. We can still see here as well. We had to change character, so we've gone bullish 2 times on the 4-hour chart. Let's go here. Go. All right, cool. So we've got a verified level here, which means it can turn to a turncoat level. A turncoat level means an old support becoming a new resistance, or a old resistance becoming a new support. Simple, very baby pips learning on Forex, which is basically just support and resistance, break and retest. So right here, if it does break above this level here, which is 1.09778 is where your buy stop should be. And then your stop loss is going to be called at 20 pips. So that will be 1.09576. And you're going for 40 pips in this trade. So 40 pips would be here. Right about here. 1.10178. That's your take profit on that pair. GBP USD. Go next. Go to the 4-hour. GBP USD is 4-hour bullish now. Price action has broken above this level and closed above this level because it went down, it pulled up, went back down again, and this candle here broke above this high here. So we're gonna go right here. Let's just do this, get this time frame up. Cool. So if price action breaks above this level here, we'll be looking for a continuation of a buy. So you want to buy stop at 1.21781. And then your stop loss will be below this area here, which is about 35 pips. Let's call it 36 pips. 1.21420. And then we're looking for 60, 70, 72 pips we're looking for. So then your take profit will be around about you might as well call it 1.22500. that will be your take profit on that buy trade on GU. Enter DCHF. But we are still currently 4-hour bullish on NZDCHF. Here we can see right now it's telling us that we could have a buy trade set up right here. Price action is pulling back, so it might actually break this turncoat. Sometimes they do that. You see how it just tapped it because it's a level of interest and it's pulled back very close to stop loss. So this is one that you can decide to get into or not at this point. But if you was to get into it, this is why we also got the rejection lines here, which is a daily rejection ×2. So if I was to get into this buy trade setup, I would enter here right now, and then I would have a 10 pip stop loss. And my stop loss will be 0.525. 0.3, and then 20 pips is just here. It's very simple. 20 pips is here, which is 0.52807. Now, of course, this can go a lot further because that's a very small stop loss. So you could even end up getting a 1 to 4 trade on that. But you do have a monthly rejection level here. That's 2 times rejected bank level, which is at 0.52982. Boom, boom, boom. Let's keep this moving. Enter the CAD. I believe we are still 4-hour bullish on this. Yes, we are. I can see already without even looking that it hasn't gone bearish yet. So we are still currently 4-hour bullish on this pair. Let's see how this is. Okay, so you can have a buy stop on NZD CAD at 0.89. I think that's 2.3. Yeah, 2.3. So 0.8923 buy stop, and then your stop loss will be at let's call this 20 pips, 21 pips. Let's call that 0.807, 0.80714, and then 42 pips. 0.81353. Basically, that will be your TP level there. Okay. And then we're going to go over to silver, which has done what we need it to do. We'll check these other pairs quickly here. But look at this. This was the silver trade setup that I gave this morning. I said this could be a good trade setup because the 4-hour break of structure was very close. And right there, boom. Let's go back here. There we go. Look at this. So this is exactly what happens when the turncoats kick in. Perfect example. I gave this trade out in the morning, and now look where silver is. It's already done on 1 to 2, 100%. So there, so you had your 4-hour break of structure here, 4-hour change of character as well. So you had a double 4-hour bullish break. You had your entry right here is where I told everyone to put their buy stop, which was 23.226. You had a stop loss of only about 13. I think I said 15 pips. Boom, right there, and you can see there we've hit our take profit 2, which is there. Done. So this is what I'm giving out here. You can see the perfect example of all these trades. I've gone through every other pair, so you don't even have to worry about that. There isn't setups. Even if you go to US oil, there isn't no setup there at the moment. As you can see, there's nothing there. Basically, there's no setup. So this is why I didn't. So right now, US oil is, let's go back to the 4-hour. It's bullish on US oil, but we've only got a verified level at actually we've got a verified level here now. So you'd have a pending buy order up here at 87.476. Stop loss down here, which would be, I'd put it below this monthly level, which would be 85836. And how big is this? 144 pips. So we're going for 288. Where is it? And then your TP would be like here. So it'd be 90.370. So that's what you'd be looking at, buy continuations on this if it breaks above this level. But for now, nothing's really happening. You just got to wait. So, yeah, I've gone through every single pair there. Just like I said, I wanted to do a quick update so everyone can catch some of these pairs. Because when I start posting them in the free Telegram group, I don't want nobody to be in that again. Oh, you didn't say this, or I've missed the trade, or I don't understand. I'm showing you the live representation of exactly what I do and what's going on. And literally the best, all you literally have to do with Neo strategy 1, which is scalping, is just make sure that you're ready to be near your charts before every 4-hour candle open. And you pick the sessions. You don't have to worry about everything. You can, like for me, something that's easier is what you see now: London, New York, and maybe late New York. So I would be looking at the charts 3 times in a day, and it would be 1 hour before the 4-hour candle open, just so I can see what pairs are going to break structure, probably on a 4-hour chart, or if they've already broken structure from the previous session on a 4-hour chart, and if there's a verified level there for me to put a buy or sell stop, literally, because when it changes from a buy or sell stop, it would change into a turncoat level, which is just an old support becoming a new resistance, or a old resistance becoming a new support. Okay, so has anybody got any questions for me? Somebody asked me, what does Neo do? What is going on, or anything like that? Like, what do you want to specifically know if you're still here? The person here, don't know, they probably left now. Yet they've ran. They said, no, he didn't show us how to make $100 million in 1 second. I'm gone. So he's gone now. So, or she, I don't know if it was a he or she. Yeah, so anybody got any questions? I think everyone in here is already a Neo user though, so they already know the coup, you know, the situation. Any questions at all, people? Anything at all? Okay, fine. We'll leave it there then. If there's no questions, we'll leave it there. So yeah, I just wanted to give a quick update. There's nothing on US 30 at the moment, but I'll check it anyway. There's nothing there, mate. Literally, it only took me probably 5 minutes to go. Like, remember I told you to start buying probably US 30. It literally took me 5 minutes to just go through all of these. So I could have set this all up. I could have gone through all my analysis in about 5-10 minutes. And then after I've gone through my analysis, just go back to the pairs I picked out, and then I'll set my buy and sell stops. So that's what I'm going to be doing coming into November on the prop account that I purchased. Like, as I'm just getting a small prop account, probably only be trading 0.1s, 2s, maybe maximum 0.3s. It all depends. I need to see how the risk goes. So probably at first I'll only do 0.02s. I think I'll do, and then I'll see how that goes for the week. If it's too much drawdown, if it's not, etc., then maybe the following week I'll push it to 0.3. And then if 0.3 is good, I need to find a fair balance. I'm not trying to pass the account instantly. I'm trying to find out how much risk the account can hold. Then I'll know the percentage of risk I can be taking per trade entry. And then for when I hopefully pass it and get a bigger account, I'll know exactly the percentage of risk I'm taking. And I'll be able to tell everybody. I'll be able to tell them the firm, the leverage of the firm, and the risk I'm taking. Do you understand? These are the type of things that Big John does. Yeah, no, it went crazy. Elite, it went crazy, innit? That silver trade. But that's what's going to happen. I'm telling you, this week there's going to be a lot of good Neo Strategy 1 setups with very small stop losses. But you just have to be in it to win it. You can't, like I say, if people are on the game, look at what the person, I always say this, look at the person at the top. I'm the manager of the team. And I'm telling you, I'm not trading these yet. I'm collecting data. Yeah. Even if you are trading them, it's not a problem. But I'm just collecting data because I don't want to miss something, basically. So I'm collecting data. And then from when I collect data, I'm going to get a prop account specifically, not my same prop account, a prop account specifically just to trade these trades. So even if I blow that prop account, at least I can figure out why. I don't want to mess with my Neo strategy 2, which is day and swing trading. I don't want to mess with those metrics. There's no need. Let me stick it on a new one. So yeah, US 30 anyway, as we're going here. Yeah, no way. That's great, mate, if they've started going blue. Yeah, it's a joke. It's a joke. I'm telling you, you've all seen it anyway. Anyone that's a DL user, I can't fabricate this stuff. You've seen it over the last 3 weeks minimum. It's been blue every week. So I can't imagine how you can't miss. Like, I can't even understand how you would actually blow up your account, only if you over risk in your entries. But if you keep your risk very low, I'm telling you, you will have a blue week. It's like almost impossible, because the market does what I explained. It either does a midweek reversal or a trending week. Some of them, sometimes it can do a consolidation week, but those pairs are probably not going to break 4-hour structure. They're probably not going to also create a turncoat. So we've got 2 confluences to stop us catching the week we do not want to trade. which is the consolidation week. If it's going to do a trending week, it's definitely going to do a 4-hour break of structure, 1-hour turncoat. If it's going to do a mid-rate reversal all the way back down to the weekly low or high, it's going to do a 4-hour break of structure and a turncoat. Can everybody see the logic of what I'm saying here? Like, I'm not trying to say this again to sell a product. I'm trying to tell you it's what the market does. It does this, people. I'm not lying. You understand? Like, literally does this every week without fail. I've seen this for years now. I just haven't had a way to figure out how to pinpoint it to trade it. And now Neo is giving me this edge. I'm like, oh, whoa, 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 whoa. What's going on here? So US 30, again, we are on the 4-hour chart, we're still bearish. And this is a turncoat, not a verified level. So if this turns to a verified level and then we go 4-hour bullish, then you'll be looking for your entry here and your stop loss below, and then 1 to 2 hour trade. So really, when it goes 4-hour bullish, you'll be looking for an entry here as it stands on this verified level. But again, if this does turn verified, your entry will be down here. So that's why scalping is you have to be a session-based trader if you're scalping / it's almost scalping / day trading, because it might take a few hours for your trade to play out, or even to the end of the day. Yeah. So that's that one there. Let me go back into the questions. I think 0.3 per entry Neo strategy won't be okay. Past the challenge so far. The win rate is great. Okay to budget. Okay, yeah, no problem, man. Flip, if that's what you think, yeah, cool. Like I've said, I'm gonna test the lot size for a 0.30%, see what that is. You get it? I'll check it out. Like I said, that's all I'm doing. You can see what I'm doing. I'm just literally testing data. And the reason why I want to get the live proper account instead of demo testing it is because I want the emotions of it. I want to be like, oh, I'm in drawdown. Let me go check it. Because if it's a demo account, you're not really going to care in a sense, but I want to be able to actually care because, again, I want to give you guys and girls the best product possible. And we all know going forward, once I can find that, that fine line between everything, the EA will be automatically set up there for you. So even when you go like into the settings now, so you just be able to switch on when the EA gets sorted out, auto trading, you'll be able to go into the settings. There'll be another tab here, which you'll be able to switch on, which will be Neo Strategy 1. And it will have all of the risk parameters, but it will be on default, whatever. So let's say we figure out the default on a 1 to 30 leverage account is 0.30%, and that seems to work well. That's what it will be on. Of course, this will be explained that it is FTP you need to go for, or a prop firm that has 1 to 30 leverage. Obviously, the more leverage you have on the prop firm, the lot size might have to change because you don't want to be on a 0.3 and it's a lot more loss on that prop firm, etc. So it'll be something like that. Don't worry, there's always works in the process, but we'll get there. Yeah, we'll get there. This definitely needs an expert advisor, man, because for me, obviously being a day swing trader, I can't be bothered to do all of this all the time. I can't lie to you. I'm literally just doing it for you guys and girls, just so people can have more trades. It's just that, I swear to you. It's literally so you can have more trades, because I'm cool. And it's not because I'm just financially super secure. No, I'm just actually psychology wise cool with day and swing trading. Doesn't really bother me, but everybody's different and I fully understand that. Which platform would you recommend? I use Funded Trader Plus or Funded Trading Plus. I always get that messed up. Basically FTP. If anyone wants to know the firm, you can just message me. Cool. There's no way to avoid. You need to stop worrying about those questions, Pikachu. I keep telling you, and I've noticed you're doing that a lot, mate. I'm gonna call you out on that. You need to stop over worrying about how to avoid falsely faking out trades and stuff like this. It's not worth your time, man. I'm going to tell you this. It's not worth your time. You understand? Like, especially when it comes to scalping, come on now. Like, you've got a 10, 15 pip stop loss for something that's trying to shift billions of dollars a day. You might have maybe max a 30 pip stop loss. You've got to kind of just do it. Let the market do the thing. Like, not every trade's going to lose. You need to stop worrying about trying to have the highest win rate. Worry about having the most a good consistency. If you're able to do what I'm explaining here, as simple as I'm explaining it here, yeah, the EA is not even in the process yet, so I'm not even going to get into that one, Nick. Thank you very much. I appreciate you, but Nick, you gotta wait. I'm sorry, dear. But as I was saying, as if you're consistently profitable, even if you're making 1 to 2%, yeah, then you're going to be fine. Like, figure out how to do this first. That we can't jump the gun as well. This is when it goes into the EA. There's no point me creating an EA and then all of a sudden this EA is doing 3-4% every single month, but then maybe there's a big bad month where it doesn't do what it needs to do. Let's just say it blows accounts, whatever. Yeah, that's what tends to happen with expert advisors. You get a massive drawdown period. And I don't want to do that, because as soon as I do something where it's just I've sold something to someone because it's attractive, you're going to get bad press, basically, and you all are aware of that. Everyone's going to start calling me a scammer, a fraudster. Oh, he's a fraud. He stole from me. I stole 100 GBP from you. Yeah, okay, mate. He stole. He stole. I don't want to be on that type of whatever. Like, I just am not in this life like that. I don't want stress. I don't want wildlife in my life. Yeah. So I need to make sure and show you, all of you, that it works. Let's do that first. Let's actually try and be these successful people. Let's not pretend to be them or think we're getting sold a pipe dream, is what I'm trying to tell you. Does it actually work? Let's bloody see if it does. Like, nobody can fault me for wanting to do that. You know what I mean? Even if it took me another year to do that, I'm not saying it will, but even if it did before I make the EA, I'm sure you're all going to be happy to say, nah, John ran this with us for a year. So yeah, no wonder I'm making 1 to 2% a month, even with wins and losses. Like, it makes sense. You get what I mean? So hopefully that all makes sense to you in the the whole shape of it. Does it make sense? People, let me know. Let me know. Nick, I need to hear your response, Nick. I know you're waiting, Nick. You've been on to me for this EA. You've been on to me. I think it's you, Nick. Is it you, Nick? You've been on to me, mate. You messaged me like, John, what's happening with this EA? Oh, right, I'm coming. Trust me, I'm coming. I'm coming. And I'm glad I've done it this way because of cost reasons. If I just set an EA like I wanted to do in the beginning, which was just break of structures, it would have ended up costing me more to do this and more to do that. Basically something I don't maybe even need anymore. So it's better for me to find the exact thing we need, then get it coded, get the costing for that, and then we don't have to rework anything. Like the break of structure system, I had to rework twice already, and I still have to rework it a third time with what I actually added to what I know now. Do you understand? But again, I want the break of structure system to be very, very good, which it will be. It will be one of the best break of structure systems you have out there. I'm telling you. Telling you. All right, so that's that one there. Yeah, this one's going here. Let's go check GBP CAD again because I'm in that trade. And this trade is trying to just, I don't know. These people hate me right now in this trade. What is this, bruv? Can somebody tell me what this is? This consolidation. It's like, yeah, we're money. No, we're not in money. Yeah, we're in money. No, we're not in money. I don't know what nonsense they're just doing here for now. It's news, obviously. Let's see what we've got here. What I'm hoping they don't do for now, what it seems to be doing is first and foremost, these are very strong levels. So this is why my rejection box that I've drawn, my own turncoat using the rejection lines, is this monthly level here and here. I mean, it would have to do a very aggressive move to break these levels, but unfortunately, it is NFP week, so it's not impossible for them to do this. They could basically do an aggressive shift and then pull it back, basically. I'm hoping they don't. Right now, they seem to want to be holding this 4-hour low here. So we really and truly, for this to continue, we just don't want them to really break this low. If they break this low, it doesn't mean they can't reverse. This is what they did here and why I closed my trade last week. Pagans, absolute pagans, because they closed this low and I was like, oh yeah, they could go bearish now. And then literally the next candle, they bought it up over 2 days, 190 pips. So I'm trying to hold it to see. Also, if we go to the daily time frame, this is why I definitely want to hold it. We don't even have a 1-hour turncoat. If I'm telling you the power of the 1-hour turncoat's that powerful, we've got a daily turncoat here with a daily break of structure as well at the same time. And obviously the 4-hour break structure is bullish. So ideally it should hold this daily box here. You might not really be able to see it properly, but there is a box between this level and this level here. Should hold this box and then continue to buy off this box. And then my TP is this weekly high up here because we've taken out all of these weekly highs over here. So the next weekly high it could go to is literally here. So I feel like maybe it's the interest rates news they're waiting for. It's about a 270 pip possible trade buy setup. Yeah, you've got to be patient. I know it's just Monday, man. I know it's just Monday. I don't know if that was for the other comment or for me, but yeah, you got to be patient. Got to be patient, man. We've got to let it play out. Sorry. Yeah, we gotta let it play out. It's just one of those ones. I know GBP can is so we went through it in our 101. Naylor, we went through it in our 101. I remember this darn pair still do that. When it did it again this week, I said, wow, this pair's moving so funny. It's moving so funny. But yeah, you just gotta be patient. There is a nice imbalance here though. Have they cleared this one actually? They haven't finished clearing this one. No more imbalance. There is a weekly imbalance here. So this is my idea of what I could see them going for. I think they want to clear this at least. So if they are going to buy, their aim is to clear that imbalance there. That was a strong imbalance. So they buy, they'll clear this. I don't know if they'll go all the way up here, but once they get to this imbalance, I might take my profits from there. We'll see how it goes. I wanted them Monday, Tuesday to go for this. So obviously Tuesday they might. They go for this by Tuesday, I'll more than likely close my trade because interest rates news is on Thursday. And unless they go for this TP by Tuesday, Wednesday, I can see them by the time interest rates come in, they'll probably pull it back about 100 pips. That's if they buy it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We see like buy continuations. If we don't, then it could be the interest rates news they're waiting for to push this long to clear this imbalance, basically. That's where it is. Let's go here. Yeah, I think EU, GU, NU, they're all going to push it. They're going to do the strategy one trades this week because they never did it last week. They failed. There you go. But look, see, you see what I'm saying, people. Once you start learning this type of stuff with trading, and this is why I say you should do your one-on-ones with me, man. Don't think about the money too much. Think about the investment. Like I've learned a lot in this game, and it's not a joke, man. Elite, we've got our one still this week. Don't worry, mate, as well. Yeah, we'll have our one. But yeah, man, it's just like once you start learning enough, and it's I wouldn't even say it's learning people, it's actually just bloody watching this market move enough. Like, do you know how many times I've seen this reversal? Probably about 400 times now I've seen this reversal. This is why I say it just does it. You understand? And you can see here, even though it might have got rid of the turncoat, has it? Let's go check. Has it held the turncoat? Where are we? Let's go. Yeah, no, it held the turncoat, you see? Right there. Boom, held the turncoat. I told you where it pulled back to. We had the 4-hour rejection levels here, which was already showing you there. So, like I said, if you see a big gap when you've got the update between this and this level, go and switch on the 4-hour chart minimum. Never go down to the 1 hour. Don't do it. I'm telling you, it's pointless. Just don't do it. You're gonna just start having lines all over your chart. 4 hours, the lowest you should go if there's no daily levels or weekly levels in a massive zone. And then you could probably pinpoint, okay, here's the middle of this box or the quarter period or the low period. Like it will give you an idea. It may not go to that level, but it can give you an idea literally. And right now you can see I drew that level out right here. But again, just to show everyone that might have joined, I just went into my settings in Neo. This is a fully authentic customized piece of this indicator that has specifically been made for the reasons of me trying to find basically perfect entries. I kid you not. And I'm not trying to find it in one day. I'm trying to take my time to find it. It's not the idea of it. The idea is to get there over a period of time. I've already got one of my long-term trading buddies on it and he's working on it. But right here, look, see? So there was a turncoat box there, as we know, and you can see exactly how price action has reacted to these levels right here. So it just pulled back to this 4-hour level here, literally to the pip, which is a 4-hour rejection level 4 times in previous history. And right there, this is where this buy started to pull back from. Even just off of that alone, if you got in there, that was 17 pips where I was giving it out from pretty much, or 19 pips on a trade setup with like a 10 pip stop loss, like a 10 pip stop loss if you want it. Again, there you go. And that's why I call it scalping. Okay, so if that's it, I'm going to leave this here so other people can watch it and they can get in the trade setups as well when it's on YouTube. Yeah. And don't hesitate to join the free Discord, Telegram. Message me if you want to get Neo. It's on a deal for 100 GBP lifetime access with all the VIP services. Weekly Sunday Zoom calls is one of them. And my signal trades like GBP CAD I'm in at the moment was one of them. Obviously, if it doesn't become a loser right now, it's like trying to blow my account. Well, not blow it, but you know what I mean. Yeah. All right, we'll leave it there, people. Have a good one. Take care. Much love. Peace.